Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to show you the Crossover 2. It's a fabric and paper cutting system. I did receive this from Maker's Movement. They have asked me to review some of their products, and so they do sell paper crafts, jewelry making, and other tools and supplies for crafting. You can find them at themakersmovement.com. So their paper, it says fabric and paper cutting system. I'm excited because I feel like because it can cut fabric that it will be able to cut lots of dyes very intricately. Hopefully that's how the power works. I believe the rollers are on the top and the bottom of the plates when it goes through the machine, so you get even pressure. But let's see. So we get an owner's manual. An owner's manual here. And you get a fabric cutting die set. So you get a sample die set to play with. I'm assuming this might be a plate that you put it on, but I'm sure we will find out. And then let's take out the styrofoam from packing. Okay, so here's the machine. It's packaged well in the styrofoam. So it does come with its own plates. There's 2 of them in here, different sizes. And here is the machine. It's got a little weight to it. It does, but that's good because it might stay still as you are moving the die through the machine. Pretty blue color. Fabric and paper cutting system, CRAFTER'S Edge, Crossover 2. So let me know if you have one of these paper cutters or if you've heard of them. And if you have it, how do you like it? So this is the side without the handle. That's the back, but it looks the same on both sides. And then this is the side with the handle. So you just put the handle down and it goes into place. They have the cardboard there so it doesn't scratch the finish. So it turns easy. Also it folds up, the handle folds up and down for easy storage. I like that. It's not sticking out. Okay, let's open the machine. Oh, and it's a Velcro. Velcro's closed. And so the surface area, it's about the same as the machine I use currently. So let me read some directions so I know how to put this plate in. But they do sandwich similar to other die cutting systems. Here it shows you like the clear top, the die, the material, the metal plate, and then the white base. That's for, you know, fabric. This one is for standard configurations, which would be the metal cutting dies. So you just have the clear top plate, the metal plate, I guess the paper, the die, and then the white base. So yeah, I'm gonna have to play with this. Oh, you're able to apply more pressure or less pressure as well by rolling this dial down or up. You can find it on Maker's Movement's website, The Maker's Movement. Hope you guys are having a crafty day. If you're new here, welcome. Please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. If you're returning, welcome back. I appreciate your love and support. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas!